Elements, compounds, and mixtures. Based upon the chemical classification, matter can be classified into two types of substances: pure substances and impure substances or mixtures. Pure substances are the substances which are made up of only one kind of particles, which includes elements and compounds. Elements consist of only one kind of atoms. As you can see here, for example, gold ring. So in a gold ring, only one kind of atoms are present, that is gold, Au. Okay, so gold ring is an element. Elements can be composed of one atom, two atoms, or more than two atoms. If elements are composed of one atom, it is monoatomic, for example, helium. If elements are composed of two atoms, it is diatomic, for example, oxygen. And in case elements are composed of more than two atoms, then it is polyatomic, that is triatomic, tetraatomic, octatomic. For example, ozone, phosphorus, and sulfur. Molecule. It is the smallest particle which is made up of one or more atoms of same or different elements. The atoms in molecules are held together by chemical bonds. Types of molecules. Molecules can be divided into two types. First, it is formed by grouping same kind of atoms together. For example, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, and oxygen. Second, it is formed by grouping different kinds of atom together. For example, hydrogen chloride, water, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Compounds. Compounds are made up of two or more elements. For example, water. Water is composed of two elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Here two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom are present. Okay, so compounds can be separated by chemical means. You are not going to separate it by physical method. How? Suppose you are going to pour half of the water from glass to any other vessel. Are the elements of water, that is hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom, can be separated during pouring? No. It means that compound cannot be separated by physical means. Now, impure substances or mixtures. So, impure substances or mixtures are made up of more than one kind of particles, or mixtures are obtained by mixing of two substances in any proportion. So here mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. In homogeneous mixtures, different constituents are mixed uniformly and has the uniform composition throughout. For example, tea. How do you form tea? You add milk, sugar, tea leaves, water. When you mix all those, you get tea. But when you have tea, the final product, are you able to distinguish the tea leaves from milk? No, you are not. It looks the same throughout. You take any part, it has the same composition. So it is homogeneous. Heterogeneous mixtures. In heterogeneous mixture, different constituents are not mixed uniformly and does not have a uniform composition throughout. For example, sand in water. You are able to observe in some part sand is more. In some part we have more water. Some sand deposited at the bottom. So it does not look the same or uniform throughout, since the composition is varying in different proportions. So This is a heterogeneous mixture.